Guys, so we have been here at the lake for a while, but I'm gonna go see what footage I can get. I haven't filmed anything at all at the lake, but I'm gonna try to get some footage. Let's go into the GoPro. My mom and Jacob right there. I just got off the kayak. So guys, as you can tell, I've shown you this. This is Nate's birthday gift. It is his gift. Nate, do you like your gift? Yep. There it is. He got a brand new kayak, his own kayak. And I gotta try it out in the footage that you saw. Alright guys, I just got back. We're gonna empty out the kayak and we're gonna start packing up our camp that we had for the day. You just got me wet, Jacob! And I got a camera. Mom, how was that ride?
It was interesting because Jacob thought that it would be funny if he did everything in his power to try to tip it over, and I don't like the tipping feeling. Oh. But other than that, it was very peaceful and nice.
Yeah, that's cool. So guys, the next time we may be here is probably either summertime or sooner. So I just want to say, be aware, more vlogs at the lake, because this year we decided to not get wet in Wild Passes. So we're going to have more lake vlogs. So I believe we're going to be going to like once or twice a week during the summertime. So that's cool. Look at that, guys. We got one kayak and we got two kayak. Pretty cool, right? I know. My hair is going to need another haircut soon. Got all the rods.
That's going in the back. These are...
See. Alright guys, so I did fish a little bit, which was a lot of fun, but I did not videotape me fishing. I had a lot of fun here at the lake, but most of it was not captured on camera. I got somewhat of it on camera. I tried, right? Uh-oh. Alright guys, our camp is going down. What's up, Jacob? Loading up the truck.
That was a good one.
I love Arizona. Nice cactuses, nice desert. This is what I love about Arizona. Nice scenery. So tomorrow, Nate will be back at the lake because he's going on the morning bite with my grandma and grandpa.
Yeah, you're not staying up till midnight.
Yeah, Nate, can't sleep till midnight.
Oh.
Today at Lake Pleasant, there was a kayaking event.
Okay, I guess we're gonna pass somewhere and then do the picture.
Hey, I better go put my waterproof camera away because I'm done in the water for today. And the water, okay, let me talk to you about the water here. The water, it's cold, but once you get used to it, it feels fine.
Yeah.
It's hot. I may need to go get wet. I decided I need to get wet, so I'm heading down to the water right here. Whew, feels better. My legs feel much better once they're wet. No, I hope the wind doesn't push me in, or else the camera's gonna get affected, right? Which we do not want to happen. Now, most of you guys wonder, do I vlog every moment of the day? No, I don't vlog every moment of the day. Actually, most of my day is off camera, but I like to capture some moments, but not all of the moments.
What if we make like full glass casts, like you can go back good night?
There goes the boat. Alright, I'm gonna put this camera away and I'm gonna help finish up packing up. And this is how the kayak is gonna be. Alright guys, we are home from the lake. I'm currently at my grandma and grandpa's. But it's been a couple of hours since my last clip. Because after the lake, well, we drove back to our house. We were settled at our house for a little bit. We were there for about an hour. And then Jose left back to his house, and then we came here for at my grandma and grandpa's because Nate is going on the morning bite tomorrow, so he's going out for another day at the lake, so that should be a lot of fun.
On the boat.
On the boat, yes. Sun is going down. Day is ending. Unfortunately, it's been a lot of fun. Nate's going to bed. Jacob, you are sunburned. I'm probably sunburned too, I think. Yeah. Jacob, did you have a good day today? Nate, you have a good day? Is he too tired to answer that? I think, he definitely had a good day today. And I had an awesome day today. Yep, it was a lot of fun.
Oh, I told us to go. Hey, thanks for trying to see if we can get out of the
Nate's trying to butter you up.
Butter you up? I don't know.
Alright guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed this vlog, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave a comment down below. Mom, do you want to add anything to this special vlog?
It's been a wonderful birthday weekend celebrating and a great day at the lake. We're exhausted and it's time for bed. Good night.
Yes, tomorrow is Monday. We have no school tomorrow, and I decided to not upload today so I'm a day behind. So I'm gonna have to try to get 2 vlogs up. It's okay. I'll work hard and I'll get the vlogs up. But I'm gonna end this vlog. I'll see you all tomorrow. Don't forget how amazing as well. And be kind to one and other. Bye. Boop beep, whatever you wanna say. Beep.